in this video I just want to share with you how I made some masks in bulk. So I just cut all the pieces, so I have all the pieces ready so I can sew, including the filter, as you can see here. And now let's get started. It's good. Okay, then you take it like this, and now you can record a couple of times. So it's okay. Doesn't need to be that close, but I don't know if you can see the dots. You just put it there because I previously marked it. And then you get another one from here. Look at the bash here. From here, and this is how they look so far. I don't know if you can see all this mess in there. You do the same thing, dot with dot, like that. That done with that, again like this, dot with dot, again like this. You can see it, and I'm gonna show you here real quick how everything is looking a little bit of crazy. Don't get me, you didn't get me. So yeah, okay, you can this. Okay, so now we're gonna fold kind of like this. Coming right down. There. Put it there and keep going. Let's see if it says bring forward. Okay, keep doing it. Just give me one more. There. 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 See? And then put it here. And force it. And that's how I do it. You see that? Easy. Okay. And the filters are done. Well, I still need to cut these ones apart, but yeah, working on that right now. Here I just made a please in both the outside layer and the inside layer. As you can see here, they're still all connected. And here I have, I think, the inside layers right there. And here you can see it. And here, after I kind of organized it a little bit, in here you can see when I already did the fold on the inside layer, and this is the fold on the outside layer, which is like a trapezoid. So anyway, here they're stacked up, and now you put them together, and this is how it looks. And now this is another view of it, how it looked from the other side. Here you can see them all stuck together, and here I already have folded the elastic pocket, as you can see here, so they're basically ready. Okay, after hours and hours of work, I'm finally done for this batch. Some of them still need the filter on them. I put the filter on these ones right here. But yeah, many hours of work. This one is for my father. And there's some other ones here. And those ones. And yeah, that one and that one. Most of them are a solid color because I didn't have more of the print fabric, and I hope they're gonna be useful. So I gotta go and ship these ones. I'm super tired and with backache, but it was worth it. So here I added the elastic when I shipped them so they can put it on. Here's another package that I made, and this another view, and then I put it in envelopes to ship them, family and friends. So that's it. Take care. I hope you keep safe. Many blessings, and you'll be to the next one. Ciao.